Environmental pollution. Environment, surroundings. Environment is the surroundings of an organism. Environment contains physical, chemical, and biological factors around an organism. Environment refers to surroundings which surround living organisms from all sides and completely influence their lives. Environment has four components. They are atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. But environment can be divided into two types: microenvironment and macroenvironment. Atmosphere. The protective layers around Earth are called atmosphere. The mixture of gases surrounding Earth or any other celestial body is held by gravity. It forms different layers at different heights. They are spread up to 500 kilometers height from Earth's surface. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Atmosphere mainly contains nitrogen, 78%, and oxygen, 21%. Hydrosphere. It is the liquid water part of Earth. It includes oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Hydrosphere extends over 70% of Earth's surface and is habitat for many plants and animals. All water resources, such as water canals, reservoirs, polar regions, ice peaks, and underground waters are present in this sphere. Lithosphere. It is the hard, rocky outer layer of Earth. It consists of the solid-state outer layer of Earth filled with minerals and soil. It extends up to about 60 miles depth. Biosphere. Biosphere is defined as the region of the planet in which living organisms exist, including land and air. Pollution. Pollution means introduction of natural atmospheric pollutants which cause adverse changes. Pollution takes the form of chemical compounds or energy, such as sound, heat, or light. The substances which cause pollution are called pollutants. Pollution is also called environmental pollution. Just like waste materials are rapidly destroyed through natural processes, pollutants also get dispersed. However, pollutants which undergo slow degradation remain in the environment for many decades in forms that do not undergo any change in environment. Examples: dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane, plastic materials, heavy metals, many chemical substances, and radioactive wastes. Once they are released into environment, it is not easy to remove them. They do not undergo destruction through natural degradation processes.